Okay, good afternoon. The sunset's pretty late, so we got a pretty late start today. But first things first, we got food, and I'm so excited. We got the Halal Guys. It's a really popular street food vendor here in New York, and it smells so good. This is the chicken sandwich. Let's dig in. Can you believe the size of this thing? This is a $6 sandwich, and it smells so good. They're famous for their white sauce. It's like a really spicy white sauce, so I think we're gonna like it. It is so good. I haven't gotten the white sauce yet, but the chicken is delicious, and it's actually warm, which is always my biggest fear with street food.
That was officially the most amazing and messy sandwich I think I've ever had. And I swear this was here before we got here.
Quite a bit of sightseeing today, and our first stop here is Radio City Music Hall, where the Rockettes performed. And can you believe that this building has been around since 1932? It's looked exactly the same for almost 90 years. We're here in Rockefeller Center, and behind me is the top of the rock. It's an observation deck that looks over Central Park this way and Empire State Building and the rest of Manhattan that way. Some say it's even better than going to the top of the Empire State Building. We're now officially in Rockefeller Center, and honestly it's my dream to come to Rockefeller Center in Christmas time because it's all decked out with Christmas trees and Christmas decorations and lights, and the best part, an outdoor ice skating rink, which I've never done before. Right now it's all under construction, so we can't really see much. Cities like New York is that you can have old buildings like this and then brand new buildings like this just across the street from each other. Shopping on Fifth Avenue is a dream bucket list item for some girls, but my dream is just window shopping because we can't afford any of this. Alright, we just got to Central Park and we're here at the Plaza actually, which is like super ritzy hotel. And they have all these city bikes out, so we're gonna rent one and ride through Central Park, and I'm so excited to like be on a bike and just, sounds really nice.
There you go. You got this so smooth.
Okay, we couldn't get these city bikes because you can only get one bike per account, and we only have one phone with us with data, so we had to return our bike after like 5 minutes. So we're gonna try and do it a different day, but for now we're gonna go walk around Central Park, and we may not be able to see as much as I was hoping, but it still looks beautiful and it's a perfect day to walk around the park. It is so beautiful in here. We've walked like 10 steps, but look at all these turtles.
all through Central Park, and it is like the perfect summer afternoon, evening time with the breeze. It's just perfect. But right now we're on the mall and literary walk, and there's statues of all these authors. And my favorite part is reading all the benches because they're all dedicated by a loved one or for themselves. Some are funny and some are so sweet.
I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No, no, no.
We are at the Met, or the Metropolitan Museum of Art, but everyone just knows it as the Met. They even have a sign on the top of the door. First of all, I know this famous spot on the stairs right here because of Gossip Girl. Embarrassing, I know, but this is actually one of the most popular museums in the world, and in 2018 they had 7.3 million people go through these doors. Unfortunately, they're closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays right now, and today's Tuesday, so we won't be able to go in, which I was really hoping we could because there's a really cool rooftop bar which overlooks Central Park and faces towards the sunset, but maybe next time.
One thing we're getting used to after coming back from South America is a little bit of the sticker shock from New York. This and that for $8. I really don't know how that's possible, but we are gonna make the most of this investment by watching sunset from Cedar Hill here in Central Park. So we hope you had a good day exploring with us. Sorry we couldn't bike around, that will have to come at a later date. But if you enjoyed it anyways, hit the like button tons of times for us, and if you want to stamp your passports with us again,
Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
I might be right here. This hurts so bad at this point. You may not see it, but I've messed up so many times. We've been sitting here for at least 10 minutes. We are going to make the most of this and get our money's worth by watching a beautiful sunset here from
I knew you were gonna forget. Cedar Hill.
You could albumate.
That was so funny because I just predicted it.
We are gonna make the most of these. See, now I forgot everything.
It's okay.
The sunset from Cedar Hill here,
Central Park.
South America. We are gonna get the most of these soda waters.
Yep.
Yep. In Central Park. This is getting painful, so.
I know, this is where you pull it out.